What's the matter, buddy? What is it? What's the matter, buddy boo? What's up? Hey, buddy? Buddy, what's up? Look at your little face. What's the matter? What's the matter? Look at your little face. That is so cute. Buddy boo, what's the matter? Hey, bud. Hey, bud. What's the matter, bud? You alright? I think it was just Daddy coughing. Your daddy coughed, did he? And now he's going back upstairs. You don't have to worry. You worried? Why are you worried? Hey, buddy. That was the postman. Hey, buddy. It's okay. You're all right. Are you just wanting to look at Mummy because you think she's so beautiful? You're just looking at me for ages. What's the matter, Toffee? Seriously, bud, what's up? Seriously, bud. Hey, you're all right, sweetheart. Oh, Daddy's opening the mail now. Is that noisy as well? What's the matter? Seriously. Daddy coughed and you stood up like that, but Daddy's okay and he's gone downstairs now. You all right? You're okay. You're going to eat your kale now. You were looking at me for ages then. I was wondering what was wrong. Oh, it's okay. It's just the mail opening. You're all right, Toffee. You're all right. You're all right. You're all right. You have your kale. You're all right. You have your kale. I see you've been eating some marigold there as well, have you? No, it's okay. Oh, sweetie pie, what's the matter? Oh, now the neighbour's doggy started. There's a doggy in the neighbourhood that's loud, isn't he? Oh, no, it's all right. You calm down. You relax, Toffee. You relax. You relax, Toffee. You relax. You're all right. Is that yummy? Is kale helping you forget your worries? What do you look at me when I said worries? What's the matter? What's the matter, buddy? I know. Sometimes there's lots of noises around, aren't there, Toffee? Hey, sweetheart? But kale makes it all better, doesn't it? You like looking at Mummy, don't you? I think you look at Mummy for reassurance, don't you, buddy boo? Yeah, when you look at me for ages like that, I think you're looking for reassurance, aren't you? That's what bunnies do. They look at mummies to get reassurance. Yeah, and when you know everything's okay, then you relax, don't you? Yeah? You feeling better, buddy? You want me to move that across your plate a bit closer? You feeling better? You feeling any better now? You're looking at me again, aren't you? I can see when you're looking right at me. Hello? Now you've noticed the camera. You're looking at the camera, aren't you? I like it when you look at me, Tuffy. It shows you're concentrating really, really hard on what I'm telling you, aren't you? And I'm sure you understand as well, don't you? I'm sure you understand what I'm telling you. Eh? Because you're a clever bunny, aren't you? Yeah, and Daddy cough again today. You're a clever bunny, aren't you? Yeah? You're a clever bunny. So you eat your cow. You eat your cow. You're looking at me again because Daddy's come upstairs. It's all right. It's okay. It's not brushing time. It's not vet time either. Or whatever else you're worried about. Okay? You relax. That's it. Was that nice, Toffee? Was that a nice breakfast? You feeling all right? Oh, it's that face again. What's with that little face? Oh, sorry, Toffee, but that is the cutest face ever. Yeah. That is the cutest face ever. Yeah, I know. I know. Well, look at the look at your lips as well. You lick your lips then, it's cute. Oh, your nose. You're just looking at me again. What's up? No, you're not. Now you're looking at the window. What's the matter? Oh, you are so handsome. Mummy's just blasting off tons of photos here. Look at you, you're so handsome. Are you okay? Seriously, buddy bro. Seriously. Are you alright? Buddy? Are you alright, buddy? Yeah? You alright? Someone's beat their horn outside as well. What is going on? All these noises. Toffee, it's okay. You're going down to guard the house now, are you? Oh, Toffee. What scared you then? Was it the horn that beeped outside? Oh, Toff. Was it that car that beeped outside? Is that what scared you? I know. I wish it wasn't noisy outside, but what can we do? Toff, you're okay. Listen, buddy. You're alright, buddy. You're alright, buddy. Yeah, I know, but you're okay. Honestly, you're okay. That's Daddy's fleece. That's Daddy's fleece. That's Daddy's hoodie. You're alright, buddy. You're alright. You're alright. You're alright. Tuffy, you going to hide? Okay, do you want to hide in your castle? You want to hide in your castle if you're worried? Or are you going to hide under the sofa? Which one do you want to hide in? You can hide under the sofa if you feel safe there. You want to hide? Are you okay? You go hide then. You go hide, Tuffy. You go hide. It's okay. You go hide. That's what bunnies do when they're a bit worried. You go hide. Are you alright? We've had a few stomps. Are you okay? Oh, that's so cute. You're going to hide behind the sofa. Okay, that's a good idea, Tuffy. Buddy, you want to stay under there now? You can stay under there, or you can come out to be with Mummy. It's up to you. You're going to be brave. Can I put this down? You're going to be brave? You want to go back under? Yeah, you're brave, aren't you, Tuffy? You're a brave boy? brave boy? Yeah, brave boy? Yeah, you're a brave boy, aren't you? Good boy. Yeah, I know, I know. Yeah, good boy. You all right? You look adorable, Toffee. What's the matter now? Are you worried? You're okay. You want to go outside and play a bit? You want to go outside and play a bit? Well, you've not stomped again since, so I think you're all right, aren't you? You all right, buddy? You give me the look. I like it when you look at me, but that's giving me the look, isn't it? Is that a moody face? Is that a moody face? Now you winked at me. I know. You're all right. You're all right. You're all right, buddy. You want to go outside? Okay, let's go outside for a bit, okay?